Top 5 Best Auto Darkening Helmet. Number 1. ESAB Sentinel A50 Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. Years of welding have trained you to know exactly what you need in a hood: crucial comfort, large lens, and next-generation technology. Every special operation needs special equipment that gets the job done, and when it comes to your helmet, Sentinel trademark is worn by the best. Evolutionary shell design, high impact resistance nylon. Halo trademark headgear, ergonomic, infinitely adjustable 5-point headgear provides extreme comfort and balance. Number 2. Deca Pro Welding Helmet Solar-Powered Auto Darkening with Skull Design. Auto darkening filter switches from PGHT to dark in 1/25,000 SEC. In event of electric failure, the welder remains protecting against UV and IR radiation according to shade 16.1/2/1/2 rating, meets ANSYS 87.1-2010 and N37. Universal Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. High strong materials and fire retardant. Start work immediately. Fashion appearance, ultra light designing. Number 3. FlexSian Auto Darkening Welding Helmet Solar Powered Weld. The item adopts advanced circuit design. It works the moment you start work. The auto darkening filter greatly reduces the need to flip the welding helmet up and down between torch placements, which helps to boost productivity by reducing the stop and start time needed with passive lens welding helmets. Universal Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. High strong materials and fire retardant. Start work immediately. Fashion appearance, ultra light designing, wearing comfortable. Number 4. Entrea A6-260-0000 Solar Power Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. With Entrea A6-260 series welding helmet is extremely fast, responsive to electric arc from TIG, MIG, MMA, or plasma applications. This lightweight welding helmet is so versatile that it can be used on grinding, cutting, and welding applications. It is a perfect upgrade for goggles and fixed shade glass welding helmet at a fraction of cost. 4 premium sensors, cheater lens, magnifying lens, compatible design, step less delay and sensitivity. Number 5. Coictier Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. 100% brand new. Brand Coictier color blue mask material, PP view, window size 96x48x6mm/3.74x1.87x 0.23-inch cartridge size. Coictier welding helmet will meet your need for daily welding works like electro weldings, gas shielded welding, argon arc welding. You need to adjust the sensitivity and delay to the max level except laser welding. Advanced circuit design, striking the arc.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Like this video and subscribe to our channel.